Mastering time expressions. Unveiling, for a short while. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we'll embark on an exciting linguistic journey to understand a commonly used English phrase, for a short while. This phrase often pops up in conversations and writings, and mastering its use can greatly enhance your fluency and expression in English. So, let's dive in and explore the nuances of this phrase together. At its core, for a short while, signifies a brief period of time. It's a relative expression, meaning the exact length of this period can vary depending on the context. It's shorter than what one might consider a long or extended period, but not so brief that it's momentary. Think of it as a snippet of time, enough to notice but not long enough for major changes or developments. This phrase is incredibly versatile and can be used in various contexts. Narrative storytelling. To express a brief action or event within a story. E.g., she paused for a short while before answering. Describing breaks or pauses, indicating a brief stop in activity. E.g., I stopped working on my project for a short while. Temporal transitions. To denote a brief phase between two events. E.g., the city was peaceful for a short while after the festival ended. Remember, the context is key in determining how short this while actually is. It's all about the relative perception of time. While using for a short while, beware of these common pitfalls. Redundancy. Avoid saying for a little short while, as little and short convey the same meaning. Misjudging context. Ensure the period you're referring to suits the notion of brevity implied by the phrase. Overuse. While versatile, using the phrase too frequently can make your speech or writing repetitive. To add variety to your language, consider these synonyms. Briefly implies a very short duration. For a moment suggests an even shorter period than for a short while. Temporarily focuses more on the transient nature of the period than its length. Each of these alternatives has its own connotations and nuances, so choose the one that best fits your specific context. Understanding and using the phrase, for a short while, can enrich your English communication, making it more precise and varied. Remember, mastering a language is all about grasping these subtle nuances. I hope this video has illuminated this common phrase for you and that you feel more confident using it in your daily conversations and writings. Keep practicing, and see you next time for more language insights.